This is the announcement for the week of April 1st through the 7th. We only have about a month left of school. So last week you did the last module that we'll do in Publisher. And so this week you have a project due and the second journal. The project requires a one-page flyer and a two-page publication. Now, obviously, those can't be done on the same page, so it's going to be two different publications, a one-page flyer and a two-page publication. And you should be demonstrating all the skills that you've learned, or as many as you can, especially the tools such as bulleted lists and design ideas, smart art, etc., that enhances the document, makes it more professional looking. So your topic will be a place that you want to go on vacation. So you can dream a little in this week's assignment. It can be as close as Hot Springs or as far away as Italy, wherever you would like to go. So first, create the one-page flyer for your destination. Refer back to Chapter 1 on creating flyers if you need to for design ideas. You can also use templates. If you're not good at designing and you have a tendency to leave a lot of white space in between and randomly throw the elements up there, the objects up there, it's best that you use a template so you don't lose points on the design. You must include text, a shape, an image, a bulleted list, and a heading on the flyer. Keep in mind every flyer should have a focal point. So consider what your focal point's going to be. Is it going to be the image? Is it going to be the heading? Or is it going to be a shape? Those are usually the types of things that people use as focal points. Be sure to also include a border on your flyer and then save it as your name and then destination flyer. So then, using the same destination, create a two-page publication. So delete the other two pages. If you do a four-page template, you need to delete all the extra pages out of there. It should only be 2 pages. Include a general description of the destination. This could be a paragraph about the destination, explaining a little about it. Then you want to do a list of 20 facts about your destination that includes a special custom bullet. A table that includes 4 things you intend to see on your itinerary with the date that you intend to see them and a general description of that sightseeing. So it should be at least 2-column table with probably 5 rows, the top row being the title. Be sure that you use color, design, some sort of style on that table. Fancy it up, in other words. Include a text box with your resources and correct format somewhere on your 2-page publication. Use master pages for your footer. Recolor and compress a graphic to create a watermark. Create one new text style named Project 2 and use it for the title. You will need to also get some more information to complete your 2 pages on this publication. Be creative about how you do this. Look back at your newsletters if you need to. It's not a long 4-page newsletter. It's only 2 pages. But you may want to look up some information on the internet about your destination and write an article or 2 about that. And then save that as your name project to and upload to the assignment box. Projects do count more than most of your assignments, so be sure that you get started early in the week and do a good job on this. And then the second thing is the journal. This is just communication between you and I, discussion on how you did on the second unit. What caused you the most problem? What did you enjoy? Just really, it's kind of a time for you to reflect back on what you've learned and how you think you'll use it. Let me know if you have any questions and have a great week.